my name is Lisa Kling. I teach first grade here at Nova. I'm American, but I came from Japan. One of the things I love most about traveling internationally is trying the foods of the different cultures of the different countries that I visited and countries that I've lived in. And being in Macedonia, one of my most favorite things has been the food. So here we are at the Ajvar event here at Nova, and I'm super excited to be able to partake in this amazing Macedonian tradition. I think it's really important to learn about the country that I'm living in or visiting in by eating their cultural food. So I'm excited to be here. Let's go eat.
Hi, I'm Cheryl Holmes. I'm a new 5th grade teacher here at Nova, and I'm very excited to be here getting to participate in the Macedonian custom of making Ajvar. And the community came together to peel and roast and grind and stir the Ajvar and take part in this lovely food and community. So it's a great community building event, and I'm happy to be a part of it.